Hello guys, this is Backyard Fun. In this video I'll be cooking ramen noodles in the Swedish mesh kit outside. This includes fire, gets really hot. So if you're a kid you should have a responsible adult, so I have my dad here. Okay, so let's look inside. So this is the windbreaker. What it does is it blocks the wind from blowing the fire out. This is the pan. This is what we're going to be putting the water in. This is the alcohol, and this is what the fire is going to go in. And in here, I have my ramen noodles. I have my water bottle, and I have my silverware. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out. I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to put this here, and then I'm going to grab this. I'm going to open it up. So I'm going to fill this up. Okay, so next step, I'm going to open this and put it in here. It will be about 4 cups of water. Now we're going to wait for the water to boil, and then we're going to add the ramen noodles. Okay, so what my dad is doing is he is going to add the ramen noodles. And now he's adding the beef flavoring. Now he's mixing it up to make it so everything gets hot and so spreads out. Looks good. Okay, 4 more minutes till the ramen noodles are done. Okay, so the ramen noodles should be ready. Smells so good. So just took out the fire was the top. Okay, this looks really good. Really good. It's like the best. I really like this ramen. You should try out this, but make sure if you're a kid that you have a responsible grown-up with you.